Just the best reasonably priced hotel in St. Petersburg. It's greatly located, the rooms are cute and cozy with original ceilings. The staff is welcoming, nice pictures from around the world artists are hanging on the walls together with their names, which is very educational. Gay couple, pride flag emoji. Convenient location in the city center close to all sites. Hotel is functional and small but for purpose as a place to sleep. Very clean. Quite good. We were staying 4 nights in a smart standard room, small one, and quite enjoyed it. Not sure if I can recommend it at a full price as I am not sure about the price/value ratio. We were staying with a discount, 2,700 rubles per night. For such money, it was a great experience. Pros: excellent location, super clean, awesome staff, good furniture, cheap price, at least for us. Cons: the room was really tiny, so it was even hard to find a place to properly open a suitcase. But on the other hand, we knew that up front and the room had everything you might need, including a fridge, bathrobes, and a tea set with a kettle. Another con is the floor. It squeaks and you can hear when someone is walking in the next room or even in the hall. You can also hear what other people do in the rooms nearby. The last con, Wi-Fi. It requires a local phone number to log in, which is not optimal.